From a mother in Arkansas who put her toddler S-life on the line in a violent rollover, to an armed felon in Wisconsin who rammed a Sergeant S unit before being shredded into a ditch, and a defiant AV rider who learned the hard way that farm fields offer no escape from the law. Here are 3 of the most thrilling high-speed chases captured by dashcams in May 2026. Air now. Community responding. At approximately 2:35 p.m. On May 2, 2026, the Arkansas State Police reported a high-intensity police chase that nearly ended in an unthinkable tragedy. The danger factors ignited as a reckless driver, fleeing from authorities, caused a violent wreck that left her vehicle overturned. This high-speed pursuit occurred on a busy thoroughfare where the suspect showed a total disregard for the safety of her most vulnerable passenger. The lead officer initiated contact after the vehicle shredded traffic laws, reaching terrifying speeds to evade capture. The chase reached a chaotic climax when the suspect lost control, and the car slammed into an embankment, flipping onto its roof. Field commands echoed through the dashcam as a toddler miraculously emerged from the mangled wreckage. "Hands up! Get out of the car!" Officers rushed to secure the child, while the suspect remained trapped in the debris.
Come right here. Sit up here, okay? Look at my car, the mother's trying to crawl to me. The car. You're gonna crawl over here. Quit trying to walk. Just crawl.
Mother trying to crawl.
She's stating she's the only one in the vehicle, and I'm gonna have her crawl to me, and then we'll clear it when they get here. Hey, over here. Crawl to this side of my car. Stay right here, sweetie. Get over here. I don't care. Get over here. You just ran from me.
I'm sorry. Shit.
Walk up here. Get up. Get up.
Can I call someone to get my baby?
Well, yeah, obviously.
Okay. Mama.
15 minutes, 15 minutes.
Can you call?
36. You okay, sweetie?
Mama.
Buddy, I mean.
Mama.
Who are you?
I'm Sandra Williams. I work at the nursing home with her mother, Shauna Jones.
Get Shauna down here. I can't just hand the baby off.
I know. Okay.
But if you want to hang here with the baby, you can hang out.
I'll be on.
You want to hang out here with the baby? Come over here. Where's your car?
It's right there.
Go pull it into the post office and then come hang out right here. Okay? You're going to be all right, bud. You're going to be all right. Everything's okay. You okay? Can you sit here for a minute? Hey, I got to go check something out, okay? You want me to hold you? She's about to come over here, all right?
She's about to come back over here.
Talk to him. I'm going to go get a view.
You want me to hold you?
I tried to T-H-A-L-I-A. It's Talia Jones.
Where's your ID out of?
Here. Here.
State property and residential. There was a mailbox.
That is not fair.
PC from stop.
80 and a 55.
And you fucking hit me! And you fucking hit me, sir! Why?
How long have you?
Why would you?
How long?
When you ran the plates, whose name did you see? There was no reason for you to even fucking pull me over.
Who are you wanting to take your child?
Her.
What's her name?
That's Minnie Vasquez, Minerva Vasquez. That is my godmother.
Okay.
Can I get a doctor? You just wanted to fucking kill me. You just wanted to kill somebody.
Wanted to kill somebody.
That is what you fucking. That's all y'all fucking want.
All right.
That is not gay.
All right.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
I'll probably just say
I mean, I got a scuff on my push bumper, but that's it. Okay. All right. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you. Hey, Seal. Hey, what's your name, ma'am? What's your name?
Meaning?
Okay, make sure the baby stays here. I'm gonna get him and his mother checked out by EMS, and before we get them out of here, okay?
Are you the one that's talking?
Well, yeah, probably. Do what? I got her. She was doing 80 on this road here, and I tried to pull her over, and she took off. Yeah.
And you had to maneuver her car?
Yeah, to get her to stop. That's why I chose this spot here, because it's flat on each side, no houses or buildings or anything.
How long was she driving or running? She was 85.
From the interstate to here.
Okay, thank you.
So.
There you go.
Yep. I'll go get this camera from him. Are you good with doing that while I get all this paper done real quick?
The suspect, identified as the toddler's mother, was extracted and medically cleared before being booked into the local detention center. Items recovered from the scene are being processed as evidence of her extreme negligence. She now faces multiple felony charges, including endangering the welfare of a minor. This footage serves as a visceral reminder that on these roads, every reckless choice brings permanent consequences. At approximately 1:08 p.m. on May 8, 2026, the Fond du Lac County Sheriff's Office reported a high-stakes pursuit of a stolen vehicle flagged out of Illinois. The danger factors ignited as the driver, wanted for multiple felony evading incidents, was spotted barreled northbound on Interstate 41 near Winnebago Street. Despite a high-risk traffic stop, the suspect ignited his engine and fled, shredding all concern for public safety at high speed.
Put your hands up! Vehicle took off. Vehicle took off.
101, 1080, took off northbound, left lane, traffic, medium. Road conditions are dry, no traffic, heading east on Z Zebra right now. If you get a chance to take them off the road, do it. Then my 1050.
There you go, 1050. County Road C and Clay Road.
153, 1050. My squad's out of commission. Walk by a tree, 1050. My squad's out of commission. Roll over, send EMS.
It's gonna be 1050.
50. My squad's out of commission. Roll over, send EMS.
Winnebago, they're requesting EMS to do.
The pursuit escalated into Winnebago County as the suspect wove through traffic and used the shoulder to bypass law enforcement. A sergeant moved in to execute a pit maneuver, but the suspect slammed his vehicle in reverse, ramming the squad car before fleeing into a farm field. The chaos ended when a second deputy intentionally struck the suspect, pushing the car into a ditch where it flipped and caught fire. Officers swarmed the wreck, shouting, "Hands up! Get out of the car!"
101 will take EMS up here. I don't know what the intersection is. We ended up ramming the vehicle. It rolled over in the ditch. 2 patients.
Z and Clay Road.
Hi, copy. We advise Winnebago they are sending EMS to Z and Claire.
Copy, 2 patients.
Copy 95 with a male.
Check where they would like your unit. Copy, final line.
Driver was identified as a 23-year-old male from Des Plaines, Illinois, a suspect flagged as armed and dangerous. Inside the wreckage, deputies recovered ecstasy pills and drug paraphernalia. Both the driver and his 23-year-old female passenger were medically cleared and booked into the Fond du Lac County Jail. The driver faces heavy charges, including first-degree reckless endangering safety and fleeing an officer, ensuring this high-speed pursuit ends behind bars.
All occupants valid.
At approximately 4:43 p.m., on May 1, 2026, the Prairie County Sheriff's Department reported a reckless individual operating a green ATV unlawfully on Highway 86 North. The danger factors ignited as the rider, identified near the Brown Grove Fire Department, refused to stop, initiating a chaotic police chase. The suspect barreled off the asphalt, using farm fields to circle deputies in a desperate attempt to evade capture before returning to the highway and turning west onto Hall Road.
Just come back out on the highway. Great. Make a loose in this field. Bring it back on the highway 86. 31 on Bill Road, getting close to me. Now we're getting back on 86 right now. Fix turn on Bell Road. We're going on Bell Road right now.
The high-speed pursuit reached a visceral climax when the suspect attempted a sharp, tactical turn into another field. The ATV lost traction and flipped, leaving the rider vulnerable. As deputies moved in, the suspect shredded any chance of a peaceful surrender by refusing commands and keeping his hands dangerously near his waistband. Officers were forced to deploy a taser to neutralize the threat. Field commands cut through the adrenaline. Hands up! Get on the ground!
It's a white male with a jersey, number 28, black jersey. Just past Baxter Road. They're right there.
Yeah, they have.
They just like that.
I ain't never hit my tail. That's so that hurts. That makes me learn real quick. I'm moving. This way? I'm sorry about this.
I'm not mad at you.
Yeah.
Stay right there, okay?
I got you. I got you.
Watch your foot. Who your foot in?
Oh, sorry.
Good. Temple.
The suspect was identified as 56-year-old John Gales. Following his arrest, deputies recovered a pocket knife from his clothing. Gales was booked into the Prairie County Jail on a litany of charges, including felony fleeing by vehicle, resisting arrest, and careless driving. This dashcam footage captures the moment an off-road flight turned into a total rollover, proving that leaving the pavement won't help you outrun the law in Arkansas.